Union Home Minister Amit Shah to open Sangay Festival 2019. Chief Minister N. Biren assures to urge Amit Shah to add protective clothes for Manipur while implementing CAB. Manipur Information Commission kicks off Right to Information Week Observance 2019 at Travel Research Institute TRI Auditorium in Chimairong. Speaker Yumnam Khamchan calls for joint efforts in combating global warming issues and in protecting the environment. And National Sports University Construction Demand Committee Manipur demands government to appoint University Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Finance Officer and others at the earliest. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nothomam Biren has assured to urge Union Home Minister Amit Shah to add a special protective clause for Manipur while implementing Citizenship Amendment Bill when the Union Minister visits the state to grace the upcoming Sangay Festival 2019 as the chief guest. He stated the same to media in an exclusive press meet held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Responding to Impact News query about the recent declaration of granting a special provision for the states of Mizoram, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh in relation to CAB, Chief Minister Biren expressed firm belief that the special provision will be granted not only for the three states but for all the northeast states. While responding to Impact News query on the plights facing MSPDCL due to non-payment of electricity bills by various government departments, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that the issue will be tabled in the cabinet to ensure that the pending electricity bills are paid at least in installments at the earliest.
I thajabada mana state ahumdu haibe wana the north east ki wena as a whole adum tawrakani ana ide demaina lawe kananaba ado we trust and confidence to the central leaders manam de moi loina khange ai khoibu protect tawna gi potute madu priority wene na ide demaina feel to na haigani.
Speaking to media, Chief Minister Biren asserted that the government has taken steps to make Siri and Sangay Festival plastic-free. He stated that Union Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patil will inaugurate the Siri Festival on October 16 and added that an American rock band will perform during the festival. Biren assured that outsiders attending the Siri Lily Festival will be provided bus service from Imphal International Airport till Ukro. Chief Minister Biren also disclosed, like last year's Japanese sumo wrestling demonstration, Thailand's Muay Thai will also be demonstrated in the upcoming Sangay Festival. He appealed to organizations of the state not to impose any bans or blockades during the festival, which aims to promote state tourism to boost income. The Chief Minister said every issue can be resolved amicably through dialogues.
Plastic free. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki laiba momentum Swasthya Bharat siga iroina na aduga koi single plastic use free se haunana ba siroi da su aduga koi sangai da su madu akoi try togani miyam gi interest na matam punamakta koi mang tharga thami thamsu thamgani mari leinaba mayam punamakta ban blockade tobiganu general strike tobiganu ngarang mak more gi da tobudu sumna leingoi porakpa thingi thingdegini leingoi du legalize tobo yabra yadabra haibagi khanaraga koi kanna khanari adu ngarang aina appeal tobudagi moi blockade du handi handokre makha tana su blockade kumba ban gumba tawraga tobiganu aikhoi wari sanaraga systematically legal na yabra ain na yabra karmai taroga yasigi haiba potu de koi lambi puthokani puthongna basu silli unada basu leite unju unari.
Financial assistance continues to pour in for the upcoming Sangay and Siri festivals. Public Health Engineering Department Contractors Association has presented 1 lakh rupees financial assistance to the Tourism Department. Chief Minister Nothomam Biren received the amount for the department today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren appreciated Public Health Engineering Department Contractors Association for its continual support for various events in the state. He hoped that others will offer assistance too.
Festival is organized over the Paisa Sangi. Ado Huzik, voluntary hujimukta PhD gi imsing palak ama pangbirami nahan su Imphal Urban Bank lupa lak manga pangbirami Manipur gi leibiriba tai company sing aduga bank sing sungsoi soidana sumba sahi amada amuk thokpa festival singsi encourage to bibo oina sungsoi soidana monetary help to birakini habigi thajaba fangi.
Manipur Information Commission kick-off Right to Information Week 2019 at Travel Research Institute TRI Auditorium in Jingmerong today. Speaking at the event sponsored by Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension, Government of India, Deputy Chairman of Manipur State Planning Board S. Rajan asserted that rate of corruption has declined in the country after the implementation of the Right to Information RTI Act. He lauded the BJP-led government for implementing the RTI Act properly and bringing transparency in governance, which the former government failed to do so. As Rajan maintained that the Act has prevented elected persons from acting in a corrupted manner, as publicans now get any information they want through the Act.
Karigumba department amada aina interview mo yauru kanda interview gi reason dudaida aingonda khara confused lairaba aina hope to budugi ona tainaba aina sa toriba expect toriba dugi oina tainaba da lakpa kanda aina khangning ba khara aina department gi head of department sing dudaina khangning ba gi information launaba dragas thaba mayam do eka season na dingai matam da din namjan taname ba adu hujikti eka season na rabnina eka sigi commission phajana state government na lingamnina thaba kanda ikoi khudak da ikoi pawdu khangal kanda aikoi prajana khangningiba Prajana Kangba Pami Baport Kudingmak Singase, Egasigi Makada, Kudak the Kangbazina, Aikoi Mui Bagi, right, Mui Bagi Hakshe, Mapung Pana Pivaneva Gomen Sinai.
While State Chief Information Commissioner of Manipur Information Commission, O. Sunil expressed disappointment that the RTI Act is not implemented in a transparent manner in the North State like in other states of India. Stating that without transparency, there will be no good governance. O. Sunil called for the effective implementation of the RTI Act for a better society. A state-level workshop on the RTI Act was conducted at the event.
So we need to change. So we cannot, in order to bring the change in the society, we promise that the Manipur Information Commission will do whatever within this act to bring a change in the governance, and let us hope that we have a chain reaction and then bring good governance in the state. And lastly, I want to tell all the activists, let us forget about the negativity, even if a government officer charges. Let us make this RTI movement successful to save our society.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khamchan, has called for joint efforts in combating issues of global warming and in protecting the environment. He was speaking at the grand finale of the 64th Wildlife Week Celebration 2019, organized by the Forest Department at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium in Palace Compound today. Speaker Khamchan maintained that the government, civil society organizations and the public have equal responsibility in safeguarding the environment and solving the issues of global warming like floods and scarcity of rains. He urged the stakeholders to put in genuine efforts for the same.
Wildlife Canvasi, Masak Anikak, Oibren Kanze, Ahamada, Zangal Libas House, Dubo, Hato Pidragadi, Kalle. Anisubada, illegal Habatai, Uwa, Mayamayan Laga, Zangal Director Bagi, Wildlife, Hajana, Zangal Gisasing Sea, Labang Amuktabing Maramama. So I say in Tamjani, I say positive, see, Kang Nanabo Honavada, Manipur Libas, San Kudimana title or Loraga, awareness Torganda, Natagana, human right violence and Manipur Pumba, Pitiri Pumba, Masi, aware of Helakanda, Punakamine, Adubo, global warming climate change hybrid simpa puraga thabo ina pangkok tana leibe to maina toba sarkar da intop yaroi masi ai koi gudum magi equal responsibility ne haijar kanda sata sati sing da su achauba wafa mamani ne khala kanda ai ge yum da 100 kanda ai ge yum da su wari sabiyo.
National Sports University Construction Demand Committee Manipur has demanded to fill up the vacant post of the University Vice-Chancellor, Registrar, Finance Officer and others at the earliest. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Committee Vice President Hong Sangbam Rupamban condemned the government for failing to construct a proper complex of National Sports University in Manipur despite announcing the same by the Prime Minister 5 years ago. He urged the authority concerned to appoint the lacking staff of the university to facilitate smooth administration of the university situated temporarily at Kumantlampa.
Hojik leriba nipi ama khangna project officer na haiba nipi sina loina mak ngahak leraga din ji sign to ba ngahak lega restai sign to ba ngahak lega am yung singnen to ba khoi kai no khoi khangde madudi ticket piro central government and linkhaliba university asigi visitor di chancellor haiba ma vice chancellor haiba ma mother registrar haiba kanma yi academic council ki yamna leiri akoina hojik pami bisidi yam thuna bc happy habni ado bc ji hapna bagi damakta eligible candidate zama ka kuntra ma laina tai handaki parliamentary election mamangda hariba eligible candidate singa se kaure kauriba sida registrar yawi financial officer high aduna adumaga ahum basi kauraga leire eligible candidate aduna khona press tawribedi kauriba adu haidok pidana mapu palhan bidana authority ro henba aduguma chancellor do yena thre bido hapiro haibane.
Handymen of sand-carrying trucks stranded at Kudingthabi checkpost on the Imphal-More road are facing various inconveniences. Impact News came across 35 sand-loaded trucks lined up near the checkpost. Without proper food and shelter, they have been spending nights on the hillside road since ban on ferrying of sands in the area since September 30. Members of all tribal Sandstone Labor Association, More and Golden Deeper Honest Welfare Association jointly provided foods and other necessities to the stranded drivers and handymen today. One distraught driver, Ingo, urged the government and the relevant authorities to ease their plights.
Sarkar mai dagi yasinaba ma pura aga moi tauriba kangu siga akhoi pau phauna raga akhoi se kitang thuna thadukna ba akhoi atu khangan jang gumba yasinadaba oiba taragadi akhoi su association gi mai da lep kani aduga akhoi akanba khongjang changaga saka ban dawbuda akhoi sab chana saruk yani an lep ya khoi
Kanglei Park Student Association KSA warned of intense agitation if the rep accused lab technician of dreams is not legally punished within 7 days. Speaking to media at SUK office in Wangkai Junior High School today, SUK Women Welfare Secretary Namirakpam Sanuka urged authorities concerned to the culprit under the POCSO Act. She appealed to those concerned to recruit only well-educated persons who abide by medical ethics, whether the post is for contractual or regular.
Natabali chalam liba crime senari banupa sibu proxo eki matungina sahi tara phado tagina capital punishment phawa piba yariba chera asibu mari leina ba laingak na pibiduna makha tarakpa crime amadi masigum laba thamoi sokni aiba thodosing asibu thoktanna bagi damakta mari leina ba authority singna meeting sangbi loina na hariba chera asibu pibidragadi students union of Kanglei Park choki maikai dagi sangsalliba khongjang asi amadi women protection gi organization amadi association singna sangsilliba ji sina sangsilapa khongjang khuding makta akoina mimang thaduna charu yazagani.
Rongmei Lu formed RLP in a press release strongly condemned the rape incident at RIMS ECG room. RLP demanded the concerned authorities to award befitted punishment to the rape accused Suras Tokchom at the earliest. Special Judge POCSO Imphal East Maibamt Manoj Kumar has convicted 70-year-old Konjingbam Nipamacha, son of late Chandaras from Kwakaitil Thaino Khongnembi, Lamdong, of sexual assault on a girl student of a hostel where he was serving as a caretaker. The incident occurred at a hostel rent by his daughter in 2015. Convicted Nipamacha was arrested after a complaint was registered at Imphal West Women Police Station. Investigating officer of the case, OC of the Imphal West Women Police Police Station, Maisnam Bromita filed charge sheet against Nipamacha after necessary investigations. The special judge pronounced him guilty under Section 6 of the POCSO Act today. Sentence hearing is on October 11. Body of 21-year-old Lauriyam Jerry, son of El Jitent of Kalinagar, Part 1 Jiribam, who got drowned in the whirlpool of Jiri River at Kalinagar in Jiribam today remains unreachable. Impact News sources said that Jerry, along with some of his colleagues, went for a picnic at the riverbank and got drowned while trying to cross the river. People in the area and his relatives were unable to trace his body till the time of filing this report. People expressed disappointment at the lack of any NDRF or water rescue machineries of the government in Jiribam district. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on hesitation in front of Chera Court Complex during bail hearing of arrested founder and staff of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Irate people protested in front of Chera Court Complex today, vehemently objecting bail grant to arrested founder and staff of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. Protesters chanted various slogans during the bail hearing before the session judge of Imphal West at the complex. Additional Manipur police team arrived and controlled the agitators. The session judge resumed the bail hearing at 3:30 p.m. and rejected the bail application of the arrested founder and staff of the Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. Central Media Coordinator of proscribed KCP People's War Group Marxist Center, Lenin Meitei, in a press release, has refuted that the recent media release by outfit surrenderies, along with some people, about Standard Robert Higher Secondary School students' death case and doctors who performed the students' autopsy are baseless. Warning them of severe actions, the outfit urged the public not to be fooled by Lamyan Bakuman, Jingkainganba, Ilis Sobet, Sanabam Gunazit. Ketrigao MLA Nahapam Indrajit and Imphal East SP Jogechandra Hauvism led people of Kergao and Imphal East in carrying out an anti-drugs rally today. Members of local clubs, Merapaibis and students of the school in the area took part in the rally organized by Yungkaibam Athlete Development Association (YADA) and sponsored by Manipur Friendship Organization (MAFRO). MLA Indrajit flagged off the rally from Kergao Junior High School. The rally passed through Ayangpali Road and concluded at Porompat. Speaking to media, MLA Indrajit stated that the government is committed to uproot drug menace from the state. He said that the government has reinforced police force to curb drug menace like they were once reinforced to curb terrorism. MLA Indrajit lauded residents of Kergao for supporting the government's movement against drugs. He assured that Kergao constituency will become a drug-free zone in the near future.
Nisagi akoigi awareness tawbuji khara juwatpa adigi hanagi toromba phiyam dagi di akoi hojiksu nauna mu jaga jaga de awareness tawrga guliji nisaji thingba ngamna hona jarakpaji akoi nau sarkar adigi matik thawa yauna hona jai habjimdi mayam da pil tawjari aigi hitagaw kenda iramdamda adigi matik kadai digi noi kanda hitagaw tini habadi kai naram bodu jiti adigi matik guli yonbaji masing handarakpa in ek pot karakpadi hona jabadigi adigi matik clear oire habjimju ane thamjari guli yonba khara akoina khangba khara leijari guli yaudagadi phaba yadaba guli yaudagadi mo proof piba yadaba khara leije masi atubada akoi da chalenda tawrakanda koi कोई चंगजरागा मोई अचुंब नियम अमा लंबीदा चनबा मयाम नो होना बिवा किसिने नाउ मयाम न थोलागा सुमाने याउबी बजे मसिना ताकपदि सुजोय सोयदना किदगाव केंद्र इरमदम नतना मणिपुर द गुली जे सुजोय सोयदना मुतपंग मनि आबजे आई थाजबनी.
Speaking to media, Imphal East SP Jogechandra Hauvism has stated that the police force alone cannot curb drug menace in the state. Appreciating people of Kergao for extending support to drives against drug, he assured of better days ahead in Kergao, which was once rumored as heaven for illegal drugs. SP Jogechandra appealed to members of local clubs, Merapaibis associations and various other organizations to continue fighting against drug menace. Speaking to media, YADA General Secretary Aribam Aziz said that YADA has been taking initiative to curb drug menace in the Kergao since the past 4 months. He mentioned that volunteers of YADA along with state police personnel will conduct various anti-drug drives at Kergao starting tomorrow.
Prajamiyam loinamok pullaga akoina chatkadriba rally amasung mayam da pigdo message sina lairiba Imphal East ki Ketrigao area sidagi akoina drug ship maru ꯐꯨꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯨꯊꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯆꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯨꯊꯠꯆꯒꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
Technopol police seized 60 cartons of foreign-made wind secrets worth over 14 lakh rupees in the Indian market during frisking and checking at Technopol police gate today. Impact News sources said that the police team led DSP Technopol Police SL Kamkohau MPS under the supervision of the SP Technopol, DH Bikramjit recovered the cigarette from a Tata DI 207 truck bearing registration number MN01K9485 coming from Moree towards Imphal. Arrested driver of the vehicle identified as Wan Sungkham Momo and the seized items were handed over to Technopol Police Station for further legal actions. Volunteers of Jalliankront Human Rights Protection Forum took out a protest rally objecting to reappointment of retired Chief Engineer G. Robindro as Chief Engineer of the Water Resource Department once again. Representatives of Lomit Lupt Imphal East took part in the protest rally carried out at Langon Laimanai Ramgailong in Saitu constituency. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Jalliankront Human Rights Protection Forum, Robert Golmay condemned the authority concerned for failing to abide the order issued by the High Court of Manipur not to reappoint G. Robindro.
Water Resources Department ase Robindro nattaba atokpa haisingba fit oiba leitabra haibse akoina government da hangningi se akoina toriba agitation ase G. Robindro Sharma ma government Manipur government sina engineer in chief bana maming tholaga amuk hanjin hapsim se ase mahak lokthok trifau se mathang democratic form of agitation akanba se akoina khongjang se chathakini water
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR will organize an exclusive public hearing for children at Chandel District Administration Conference Hall on October 10. Officials of various departments will listen to grievances raised by children of the district at the hearing. Speaking to media at MCPCR office in North AOC today, Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR Sumati Balaning Tosam said that NCPCR is conducting the public hearing in Chandel district as it is one among the 115 aspirational districts selected by Niti Aayog across the country to bring development. She maintained that officials of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights will attend the hearing and listen to grievances raised by children in the district. Sumati Bala appealed to parents in the district to let their children participate at the event.
Angangi oiba complaints sing ladiba issue sing si child right violation issue sing sigi matangda pangthokadoriba bench amaneba sigi bench se Chandel da khogi Manipuri oina di Chandel khanbire ba Chandel da tare National Commission gi team mama laga Chandel da pangthokadoriba program se Chandel da ladiba angang khuding makta any problem related to child rights violation any issues child rights si mayam se loina khogi bench ama phambiga doriba te district sing da sumuthang Matarokigani, Adabu, Chandela Hojikta, Wadubusna, Ahan Boina, Manipurgi, Luraba, the Chauraba, Kogi, Marumaruba, Punamaxel, in a Pulagama says a complaint, Kudimax, Tahanga Doribase, Yam Chauba, Akogi program.
Pangan Student Organization PSO Manipur in a press release informed that result of the third state-level science competition 2019 conducted by PSO and Students Welfare Organization ISWO Paubitech at Johnstone Higher Secondary School and Mayalambi College yesterday has been declared. Audition for the first ever Face of the Radiant Group contest with Impact TV as featured event partner was held at Hotel Imphal today. Manipuri film director Romy Meitei, renowned Manipuri film actors Kaiku and Bala were the jury members of the audition, participated by altogether 28 contestants. Renowned Manipuri film actor Boni Gurumayum will be the showstopper in the grand finale of the contest on October 13. A team led by President of the Republican Party of India, Atawale, Manipur State Unit Thaunauzam has provided financial assistance to staff reporter of Poknapam Daily, Oina Mission today. Oina Mission met with an accident on his way home near MSPDCL office in Kaisampot on October 2. Republican Party of India Atawale Manipur State Unit in a press release stated that the party will extend possible help to media person of the state. Manipur Architects Forum MAF observed World Architecture Day on the theme Architecture Housing for All at Singzamei Parking Community Hall in Imphal West District today. A painting competition for students was held and 3 saplings were distributed to visitors at Ima Market as part of the event. Proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Group Jingkhainganba in a press release has alleged Janet Academy School of taking 30 to 50,000 rupees from students in exchange for making them pass in board examination conducted by Assam Board, Bihar Board and Delhi Board, etc., which are not recognized by Council of Board School Education. The proscribed outfit asserted that many students have lost their career life owing to fake certificates issued by the school. It warned stringent actions against the school founder, principal, management staffs and teachers for ignoring to discuss on the matter. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to open Sangai Festival 2019. Chief Minister N. Biren assured to urge Amit Shah to add protective clothes for Manipur while implementing CAB. Manipur Information Commission kicks off Right to Information Week observance 2019 at Travel Research Institute DRI Auditorium in Chingmei. Speaker Yumnam Khamchan calls for joint efforts in combating global warming issues and in protecting the environment. And National Sports University Construction Demand Committee Manipur demands government to appoint university vice chancellor, registrar, finance officer and others at the earliest.